This is my beans. This is white beans. I want to use this to do akara. All these ones I used to remove the back, but this one I decided not to remove the back to see how it's going to look like. I have not done it before. I said let me try it. I've soaked it in water for more than an hour. Now I've washed it. You can see it's very neat. We are going to be putting it inside the blender to see how it's going to look like. We have washed it. Now we want to put it inside the blender so that you will see how it's going to be like. Some people say it's good, but we are going to see it today. You can see I've finished putting inside the blender. You see the water is clean. We're going to blend this to see how it's going to look like. Just small quantities of water. You can see now I've finished blending my beans. You see, this is the first time I'm doing this type of akara. I've not removed the back. Normally I used to remove the back, as I said before. You see, thank you for watching. Sauce. Mix it very well. Sauce. Now this is my Cameroon pepper. Now I'm through with my mixing. I'm going to be putting it inside the oil. I hope you are there. Thank you for watching, my old and new subscriber. Thank you for joining. This is my Akara. Thank you so much. You are really welcome. I appreciate your comment. It's ready. You have to be putting it. You see? This is my homemade akara without removing the back. Thank you. I see my akara. But if you like, you can peel the back of your own. All this while I have been removing the back, but today I decided not to remove the back and see how it's going to look like. Okay? You see, we're still waiting for food to be ready. I see my akara is ready. Easy breakfast. Now my breakfast is ready. You can see my akamu is ready and my akara is ready. You see the reason why this akara is having this color? Just because I do not remove the back. You understand? I do not remove the back. You see, just like normal akara. That's why I said, let me try this pattern. I have not done this pattern before. Before I normally remove the back, but this time I decided to leave it. You see, join me. Breakfast is ready. Join me. Breakfast is ready. Thank you. You see my akara is ready. Thank you for joining me. You see my beans. This is akara beans. The beans they normally use to do akara. Thank you for old and new subscriber. I'm going to wash it by washing it for preparing akara. So when you look at the video, you tell me the one you prefer. This is the one I'm going to wash. You can see I'm mashing it. You see, it doesn't take me time. It's very easy for me. Very easy and simple. You can see my beans is ready. It doesn't take me time. It's very easy to do. You see, I'm going to soak it inside water for some time so that it will be easy for the blender to blend it. I hope you are getting me. So later you will tell me the one you prefer. You see? Thank you. You can see my beans is ready. We're going into blending. You see? We want to start blending it. You see? This is my Akara beans. I've washed it. You see? We want to use this for Akara. You see, the beans is ready. We're going into blending. This is my bean. I'm going to divide this into 3 parts so that it will be easy. And this is my pepper. This is dry pepper. We're going to blend this together and see how it's going to look like. Thank you for joining. I'm still blending. I've blended some. I'm still blending some. You can see I finished blending it with my blender. And the next thing is to mix it very well and start putting it on the fire. You see, very easy and simple. Thank you. This is my sauce. My sauce. We are going to mix it very well with the sauce. So are you sure? Because this is a very big Akara. Now, as we have finished putting the sauce, we have to test it. Although not everybody likes testing raw beans, but you have to test it. It's okay. We have to be putting it inside the fire. You see? You see, now we have to allow it to dawn. Yes. My Akara is ready. Look at the one we peel the back. Look at the one we peel the back. You see the inside? You see this one we peel the back. That's why it's like this. Look at the one. And see this one. We did not peel the back. That's why the color is like this. I don't know the one you prefer. Which of them do you like? So you have to make your choice now. See this one is the one people normally do because they like washing the back. But I decided to do the two. Please, from the comment section, tell me the one you like.